being grateful already for what you have at this moment is a secret. And the more you focus on something, the more you get of it. So that, I think, is the secret to a better life.
What is the secret to living a better life?
Well, I think the secret to a better life is, first of all, being grateful for the life that you have. Because how can you better your life if you are not already seeing the wonderful things that are already happening right now? And perhaps there is not a lot of great things happening right now for you, but there's always the fact that you're alive, the fact that you have friends, the fact that you have food. I mean, there are always people in places that have less than you. So, being grateful already for what you have at this moment is a secret. And then to start writing goals. I'm a big believer in writing goals, and to write down your goals of how you want to improve your life, how you want your life to be better. And to write it about all the aspects of your life, not just about money, but about relationships, about your health, about your journey. And I do believe connecting and visualizing, imagining, reading these goals will actually start changing the vibration around you. And so it is active. It's an activation, actually. It's an activation of every day focusing on the better life you wish to have. And the more you focus on something, the more you get of it. So that, I think, is the secret to a better life.